What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. I'm going to be talking about how I gave over 100 points so far on ES this week. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right. So on the Sunday Stock Talk, the first thing that I said, and we're going to do this analysis again together, guys, is that we opened with a slight gap up, right? So we opened, if we look here at this candle, we opened above the closing bar and we had a gap up. So that in itself means that there's momentum to the bullish side because the bulls were eager to buy on the Sunday open. So the first setup that I said for us to get involved was just taking the opening range breakout. So the first, if we break to the upside of this bar or to the low of this bar, then we're going to get involved. So just taking that breakout of the inside of the opening range breakout to the upside, we've already made at highs over 75 points just doing that. All right, guys. And then if we do for NQ, the same thing. So first bar right here, boom, well over 283 points. Okay, guys. So that's pretty simple, right? Make sure you join into the Sunday Stock Talks and you're paying attention to the setups that I give because I'm giving them for free so that you can learn and then you can apply them. And I want to show you a very important trick now. This is what we call, as above, so below trading. This is what we call fractal trading. So you see how we took the opening range breakout here. We made over 75 points. Now what happens if we go to SPY? So let's go to SPY on a 5-minute chart, right? So the exact same plan played out today. So what I said on Twitter today, I'm going to show you guys that, but let me clean up this chart first, was that we were opening. Okay, so here is Friday's low and here's Friday's high. You notice how we opened above Friday's high. We held the high. We held the high as support. All right. So let's go to Twitter and let me show you guys my thought process. Okay. So I'm always looking at the first 5-minute bar. What's happening? What's happening? Who's in control? These are the questions you guys need to be asking yourself. And if you're not asking yourself that question, then you're leaving important clues on the table. Okay. So basically after the pre-market plan, I went ahead and I posted right here, opening and using Friday's high as immediate support. So I'm watching the opening range breakout. And this was posted at 9:31. So literally 1 minute after the open, I gave you guys my analysis. All right. So what I did here, just taking the opening range, once this high broke, we got filled. It came all the way back down. It looked like it was going to stop us out, but it didn't. You see how the low here is 385.58 and the low of this bar is 385.62. So got saved by 4 pennies. And that shows you that there were strong algorithms willing to buy. They were programmed to buy today. All right. And if we go to futures to the 930 bar, which was right here, right? So here's the 930 bar. It's the same thing over here. And then we go long. That's another how many points at the highs? That's another 45 points. So far I gave 75 points from the opening range breakout on the hourly chart, 45 on the 5-minute chart. And then the last setup that I traded today, guys, was this inside bar on the 5-minute right here. So we had this inside bar. Look at this beautiful inside bar. So we had this inside bar right up against this big bullish hammer. And if we just draw a simple trend lines here, guys, we could see that this is just a flag. Okay, so we had a nice flag. And with those flags, I like to take the breakout to the upside. So boom. So took that breakout right there. And then how much points was that? So let's take it from here, from the high to the highs. That's well around 35 points. Okay, guys? So that in itself is close to 150 points that I gave away for free. I gave it away for free on my Sunday Stock Talk. I said, hey, let's take the opening range breakout, whichever side it goes. And then today I gave the call outs, ORB on the 5-minute chart, and then the inside bar. So if you're not making money in these markets, then something's wrong with either you have a lack of knowledge or you're following the wrong people. So make sure what you're doing, there's a clear process, there's a clear strategy, there's clear guidance, guys. I'm doing my first day trading seminar this Wednesday, Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. I have about a few people who already signed up for that. If you're interested in learning everything about what I do, all my systems in PDF and Excel and live videos with me in seminars, please sign up and just send me a DM on Twitter and I'll be more than willing to help guide you throughout the process. But otherwise than that, guys, you don't even need to do that. If you just want to keep things simple, follow my tweets, follow me, and just learn my process. All the videos are out there for you guys to be able to study and learn. All right. So thank you very much for your time. And please do comment, like, and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here, guys. 150 points is life-changing money. Okay, that's $7,500 on one contract. So, and imagine if you go with 5 or 10 contracts, guys. I'm easily giving away, you know, $30,000 to $50,000 plus on some of these plays. So please consider supporting me and helping me out if you guys want more content like this. All right, thank you very much. Take care.